In some cases, when in place upgrading Windows 11, you might see the option, Keep Personal Files and Apps is grayed out. Only personal data will be kept, and if you continue the upgrade, all installed apps will be removed. This happens because the language of the ISO image you've downloaded for upgrading is different from your current Windows language. You can check the Windows display language from the Windows settings. As you can see, the Windows language is English, United States. But I downloaded the ISO with English, International. To upgrade Windows without any data loss, you need to download the ISO with a language that matches the current Windows language. As you can see, the option is now available, and both apps and personal data will be kept during the upgrade.
And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in next videos.